Sunday today and it's Father's Day. Kaya gusto kong i-greet yung mga lahat ng fathers na Happy Father's Day. Kakatapos ko lang din mag-church. Ngayon papunta ako kay Janice to pick her up kasi meron siyang event later. Mag-host siya ng event. Kaya sasamahan ko siya ngayon. Kasama ko na si Janice, the gorgeous Janice Lagman, my fiancé, and future Mrs. Lizardo. Pa-practice siya ng script niya.
Oo, kasi ngayon na yung Black and Decker event for Father's Day. So, ito yung script ko. Ha? Ilan taon na kayo, sir?
I'm 19.
Yung totoo po, sir?
20.
Plus?
Plus something.
Okay, ganun lang ang mga tanong ko. Tapos ano pa ba? Ready ka na ba? Or handa ka na ba? Mga ganun-ganun na lang po. Okay. So, for the final challenge, we'll have to screw 5 screws using the Black & Decker cordless drill. There will be 2 rounds. Your time during the first round will still be counted. So, walang nasayang na oras. So, fastest time wins.
Dito na kami sa SM Fairview. Nahanap namin kung saan yung event mismo ni Janice. Daming tao kasi Father's Day ngayon. So marami nagsiselebrate.
You might ask, what is a nurse doing here? But in this kind of event that is mostly dominated by male people, but don't let her looks fool you. She is a very top lady and she's a printed commercial ad model for Jollibee and Kodak. A PTV host for The Doctors In aired every Friday, and a member of the Philippine Taekwondo sports team who recently won the gold medal in the World Fencing Taekwondo Championship in Mexico last November. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our Taekwondo International Gold medalist, Miss Janice Lagman.
Thank you, Miss Charlene. Wow, grabe naman yung introduction. Yes, I'm a nurse by profession and also a taekwondo athlete. So, yun. And magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. And happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there.
Tapos na ang kanyang hosting event. Galing. Pwede.
Oh my gosh, first time.
Yes.
Good experience. Okay na.
Good. Very good.
Thank you.
Dito kami sa Fairview Terraces. Kain kami. May fountain dito. Ganda. Tingnan nyo.
Siguro may ready silang damit.
Tapos na kami mag-dinner. Pati yung hosting niya tapos na rin.
So, uwi na kami kasi
Yes.
gabi na rin. So,
Atid ko na si Janice.
we'll end our vlog.